Hi everyone, welcome back to another Canva tutorial. Today we're taking a look at another one of Canva's new features, and that is graphic styles. If we head over to elements, and in here we can describe our elements. So we're going to use cute baby penguin. Then we can see now it has generated us some images. But if we click on this little cross at the bottom, then we can go down to styles, and we can now choose a specific style that we want our cute baby penguin to be in. So if we was to choose pixel art, we can see now we've got all pixel style penguins, and if we was to choose another style, we could choose a cartoon style, and there we can see now that's generated us cartoon style baby penguins. And finally, let's choose another one, the kawaii one, and there we can see it's now created us all kawaii style baby penguins. And that's a really quick and easy way that you can filter through all the different graphic styles available inside of Canva for your designs. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.